What's up, folks? Gonna try this new Jameson. Apparently, it just came out. It is cold brew Jameson Irish whiskey infused with natural cold brew coffee flavor. This nitro coffee stuff has really been taking the brewery, everything by storm. See, with notes of toasted oak and dark chocolate. All right. What the heck is my hair doing? Anyway. Give it a shot. A shot. Smells like dark chocolate. Ooh, look how dark it is. That's not bad. It tastes like it's not as sharp as Jameson is. It's like it's like a watered down type of Jameson sharpness with a hint of coffee to it. Yeah. So it tastes like if you were to put water and Jameson with the smell of coffee. That's what this tastes like. I mean, granted, it is like $5 less than the normal Jameson, so it's not bad. I can see how it'll taste good and best enjoyed chilled over ice or in a cocktail. Well, I guess next time I'll try that. Anyway, if you had it before, let me know if you like it or not. I'll see you in the next vid.